Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how to get Google Drive on your PC by downloading the desktop app. This will allow you to sync files between your computer and Google Drive seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by going to Google Drive's official website to download the desktop app. Just open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're on the main Drive page, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then click Get Drive for Desktop. This will allow you to go to the page where you can download Google Drive for PC. Now, let's download and install the app. On the Drive for Desktop page, click Download Drive for Desktop. This will download the installation file to your computer. Once the file has finished downloading, locate it in your download folder and double-click to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the app is installed, let's set it up. Open the Google Drive app from your desktop or Start menu. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. After signing in, Google Drive will ask you to choose your sync preference. You can choose to either sync my drive to this computer. This will sync all the files from Google Drive to a folder on your PC, or you can select specific folders you want to sync. Make your choice and click Next. You'll now have a Google Drive folder on your PC that automatically syncs with your cloud storage. Let's see how it works. Open your File Explorer and you'll see a new Google Drive folder. Any files you drag into this folder will be automatically uploaded to your Google Drive, and any change you'll make will sync between your PC and Google Drive in real time. This makes it super easy to manage files between your computers and the cloud. And that's it. Now you know how to download and set up Google Drive on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.